Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. So in the last video I showed you guys how to plot a parcel using an existing land record showing just the reference coordinates and the bearings and the distance of each traverse line. So in this video I'm going to show you something similar, but in a situation where you have an existing survey plan which quotes a reference point on it. So using that reference point you can be able to plot the first point and then use the bearing and the distance to plot the remaining points. Okay, so in this video I have a survey plan by my left hand side which shows the reference coordinates in eastern and northern of a particular pillar number, which is 63936 as quoted on this plan. So let's say we have this plan and then we want to plot this in its actual location. All right, so what we'll do first is similar to what we did in the previous video, where we had to plot the coordinates first and then followed by the bearings and the distance. So here we have the plot, so let's get started. So I'll zoom out, and then the first thing to do always is to pick your polyline tool. All right, so I'm going to drop the link to this version of Autocad, so if you want to download it you can download and install and then make use of it, as this is like the most basic version of Autocad for new beginners. So I'll recommend if you're a new beginner and then you want to, if you're a beginner and then you want to learn Autocad, I recommend this version for you, or you can go with version 2007. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is to plot this coordinates here and this one, so the eastern, then comma the northern. So the eastern is 468.149.279, then comma the northern is this one here, all right, which is 238 698.096, and you click on enter. So you have the point plotted. So we can zoom out because this point is not far from what we have here. If you zoom out you'll be able to see where the point is. So I'm zoomed out and this is the point. All right, so I can now continue. So I'll continue on a clockwise direction. I'll continue on a clockwise direction from 63936 to 63937, then go to this point, then to this point. So I'll go clockwise. All right, so let's go. The distance of this traverse leg is 15.4 meters. So I'll first of all type in at, and then I'll type in 15.40, then I'll type in less than, and then I type in the bearing 84 degree 10 minutes. All right, so 84 degree. The degrees is in you use D to represent the degree. Okay, so 10 minutes. So you can enter. So here is the first traverse leg, as you can see it here. All right, so the next point is the next traverse leg is 30.48 meters. So we go again at 30.48 less than 156 degrees 01 minutes. All right, enter. So the next one is this traverse leg. We have 15, so we'll go again at 15.24, okay, less than 264 degree 10 minutes. All right, so since we're going back to the origin point, we don't need to type in the traverse distance and bearing again. So we can just type in C for close and then press enter, and then we're done. So you can see we have the parcel here. All right, we now have it in a card format, in DWG format. So we can go ahead to label the traverse leg. Go to label, add dynamic label. So we have this here. All right, I'll stop here and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.